Hello everyone! In this video, I will teach you how to add photo and video together on Instagram story. But first, let us open the application. Once you open it, click the plus button on the lower center of Instagram and proceed to Reels. Once you are there, just press hold to select the video and photo together. Click next and you will be able to select a music for it. Once you're done, select next and save the video. Proceed to story and select the video that you have saved from the reel section. Just put a music on your story to replace the music that was not added in the saved video. And you can now share the photo and video together on Instagram story. That's how easy and fast it is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.